Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about something strange that can happen after a viral illness, like the flu or a bad cold. If you've been feeling dizzy or like the room is spinning after recovering, you're not imagining things. What's going on? It might be a viral vestibular condition, like vestibular neuritis or labyrinthitis. These happen when a virus affects the balance part of your inner ear, or the nerve connecting it to your brain. What does it feel like? Sudden vertigo that can last for hours or even days. Trouble walking or feeling off balance. Nausea or vomiting. Often starts after a recent viral illness. What's the difference between neuritis and labyrinthitis? Vestibular neuritis affects balance, but usually not hearing. Labyrinthitis can affect both balance and hearing. Is there treatment? Yes. Medications can help with nausea and symptoms early on. Vestibular therapy can help your brain adjust and regain balance. Most people recover fully with time and the right care. If you want to dive deeper, there's a helpful book titled Doc I'm Dizzy. It explains symptoms and possible causes in simple, everyday language. You can find it on Amazon or visit neurologist.us for more information. Link in description box below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.